Hey, it's Jacquie Othen here with the Othen Group and Remax Ultimate. Finally have some time to work on my place instead of other people's places. So I'm gonna work on my porch today. I'm gonna share it. I figured it would be kind of fun for us to give you a preview into the madness that is my life, my home, when I have some time to work on it. So hope you enjoy. Give me a minute to get set up here. Thanks. That's a wrap. So all of you can do this at home. It's super easy with some creative juices flowing. Coffee for me, which got spilled halfway through this setup. You'll see this is really, really easy, and it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be you. So whatever you're comfortable with. A little tip for you guys. I started off with 4 mums, didn't use all of them. I have 1 left over, and I started with 4 urns. These are resin urns you can use every year over and over again. And in fact, my shed is full of 6 to 8 of these at any given time for every different season. So it's easy to swap and reuse them. Remember to hide a watering can. So I hide at the end of this a watering can every year at the end behind one of these hay bales, because these things take a lot of water. A couple tips: you want to make sure that your surface is dry before you start it, so your hay bales do not go bad. You do not want moldy hay bales here. And hide your water in there for the mums. So you're not watering the hay bales, you're watering your mums. Have fun, stay safe, and looking very much forward to fall this year. So hope this encourages you to do something fun on your porch. Show me what you've got, and I gotta go because I gotta get changed. I'm sweaty, and I gotta clean up this mess that is my driveway. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.